I'm not gonna hold y'all too long. I'm just gonna come up with 2 songs that I got on my mixtape. If you don't have my mixtape, I passed a few out earlier. If you don't have it, I got a few more in the back, so just let me know if you need one. I'm gonna get started. This first one here, man, it's a more adult, mature song, so.
It seems like the same reasons I fell in love are the same reasons I can't stand it now. We used to be inseparable, but people change like the season. And you're unpredictable, it's getting critical. I don't want to keep close, but when you take off your clothes, I lose it, lose it, lose it. I lose it, lose it. You're unpredictable. First it was lust, then we got attached, and you never worried about my past. But who would have known that we were making it after one night? No. Oh yeah, I couldn't have known that you would have this kind of hold on me. Yeah, your eyes have a glow unlike anything before. You're so original. Oh, the same reasons I can't stand you now. We used to be inseparable, and people change like the season. You're unpredictable, it's getting critical. And I don't want to keep close, but when you take off your clothes, I lose it, lose it, lose it. I lose it, lose it. You're unpredictable. Can I touch you, girl? Can I count on you? Can I be the one to put it down on you? So like the candles, baby, cause your body is a canvas, let me paint it for you. I know what you want, so let me undress ya. Girl, stop the talk, spare me your lecture, and need a second chance to make a first impression, and I can love you better. Oh, yeah, yeah, oh.
DJ play it for one time, hold on one time. Hold on one time, DJ play it for me. I have a little vocal warm up, y'all forgive me on that. I got one more for all the sexy, grown and beautiful women that's in here. This is what y'all call sexy, grown and beautiful. And the title speaks for itself. But you're right, it's DJ.
Yeah. Oh, no, 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 no. Yeah. This for all my sexy, grown and beautiful women. Oh, this for all my sexy, grown and beautiful women. I know, I'm certain I seen your pretty face somewhere before. And with God as my witness, I don't wanna miss this. I'm walking through the door. You look like you just need a good man in your life, girl. This is your night, girl. I'll make it right, girl. Hey, to the shop to get your. Then we're off to, baby, to the spa. Manny and a pay, baby, yeah, at the mall to find that perfect dress. You do all the shopping, I'll handle the rest, girl. Ooh, just how it feels to be sexy, grown and be beautiful. Just how it feels to be sexy, grown and be beautiful. Oh yeah, beautiful, beautiful. You are beautiful. Sexy grown, be beautiful. Oh, sexy grown and beautiful, baby. Oh, 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 oh. nothing to make you gorgeous, girl. Cause you're already perfect, and I know you're worth it like a precious pearl. And I see diamonds in your future, just believe me. Baby, when you need me, all you do is ring me. Yeah.
I'll take you on a trip.
I will.
And make sure you feel
better,
I'll
baby.
sing you lullabies and write you love letters. Won't for anything when I come around.
Baby, you're my queen, so I'ma bring the crown down. Yeah. How it feels, yeah.
Sexy,
Grown and beautiful. Just how it feels, baby. Grown and beautiful. Tyrell, y'all, thank y'all for coming out. Thanks for the support. Hey, I'm Miss Kavon. I got one more episode, right? I just lost my brother in February. I got one more song but I created it on the guitar. I didn't bring my guitar. I want to see if she will let me hold it. This song called Maintain. If anybody ever lost somebody,
yes, we did.
Close friend, you know somebody who lost somebody, I'm pretty sure you probably can relate to this one. Yo, I can't stand up now. I'm gonna sit down.
Can y'all hear me? Let's go.
I'm trying to do it without the mic. See, Mike be kind of messing with me on the end, so I can't hear.
Like I said, it's called Maintain. I ain't got no mic, so I don't know if I'm gonna interrupt nobody. Nels, be quiet. Thought I'd see the day when we get together as a family to watch you go away. After all the things that we've been through, it don't matter what the people said, only God would know the truth. And I just couldn't believe it, no, I just wouldn't receive it, the fact that you're not here with me no more. And I don't wanna do it, but I'm trying to pull through it, cause baby boy, I gotta let you know I will maintain, cause it's just something that I gotta do, and I know that you would do it too, and I will remain the one that's gonna keep the family tight, even though it's not gonna bring you by. I will maintain the one. Never thought it'd come this point where I'd be singing this song for you. Oh yeah. And never even crossed my mind, but now it's something that I gotta do, yes. And I didn't wanna write it, but I let the Lord recite it. But this is for you, this song is for you. And asking God why, but He does not reply, and I'm missing you. Boy, I'm missing you. Oh, yeah. Oh, I'm missing you. Yeah. Oh, yeah. I will maintain. I will maintain.
Thank you one more time. One more time. You can follow me on Twitter. And, I am_Tyrell. That's I am_Tyrell. You can find me on Facebook at Tyrell904. Anything you want to email me, Tyrell904music.com. Oh, that's my email address. Oh, that's my website. Tyrell904music. It's Mike. Yeah, use Mike. Mike better than Mike.
All I can say is, give it up for Sexual Chocolate. Randy Watson. Hey, yeah, he got a limo outside. Y'all enjoy that? Is that cool?
Awesome.
Yo, give everybody a round of applause that came up here this evening. That's support. And we're going to be back here tomorrow. No, I'm kidding. But look, thank everybody for coming out for the Soul Sound R&B Showcase. Yo, they ready to get the party started. You know what I'm saying? Hey, DJ, you don't... Oh, hold up, DJ. Don't cut it up yet. I know your fingers is burning. Yo, ho, everybody. I want to... Hey, excuse me. Yo, ho. Hey. Excuse me. Before we start partying, the man that brought you this event, he wants to say a few words.
Yo, I want to say thank you to everybody that came out. We definitely appreciate you. Shout out to all the artists that came through. Y'all definitely did your thing. Spoken word, R&B. Big shout out to Terry Collins in the back, putting this together. Sean King, the Rocket Stone Establishment. My DJ Flame. We about to go in now. We got about 2 hours left. We gonna party. So everybody right here in the middle, I'm gonna need y'all to get up so we can move these chairs.